It is depending on the weight upon heights into meter square. Height is into meter square we have to count, and we have to count the weight in the kilograms.
Okay. I think this call it was abrupted before some time. Okay, we are talking something about the
and we use for the breast augmentation the silicone implants. Silicone implants are the implants in which there is outer layer of silicone and inside there is a silicone cohesive gel. So if we even if we cut that implant, the silicone material doesn't come out or doesn't leak from outside. And we usually go under the breast. So we are not touching the breast itself. So there are no chances of developing any type of disease or cancer after this surgery. And we can remove the implant if it is needed. But usually it is not done. It is not required as
Correct. Such. Because the people want to continue looking young.
To be beautiful.
Yeah, to be beautiful. I think doctor, we have got a call. Hello.
Hello.
हाँ विचारत.
Hello.
हाँ विचारत.
दीपक गावचे.
हाँ या.
माझे वेट कमी करपाक जाय म्हाका कितें करतलो?
तुझे वेट कितली आसा? तुझी एज कितली आसा? तुझी हाइट कितली आसा?
हाइट माझी 171 हा.
सेंटीमीटर 171 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. हाँ.
वेट 89 हा.
वेट 89. Actually, ideally, I think you should be somewhere around 70. Okay. काम किती करता?
हॅलो, गव्हर्नमेंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नसता.
गव्हर्नमेंट पण बेसिकली तू एक्सरसाइज भी करता?
एक्सरसाइज ना, वॉकिंग करता.
He wants to reduce the weight. I think his surplus by around more than 10 kg. More than. So what you would advise? That's what he is asking.
Yeah, I would advise to go for exercise first, because the liposuction is a surgery not meant for weight reduction. It is not a weight reduction surgery. It is a body contouring surgery or body reshaping surgery. If we have a fat at certain point, that means for at that level of abdomen or chest or arms or thigh, that we can reduce.
Correct. We cannot reduce weight per se. Okay. I think doctor, we have got a call. Hello. Hello.
Hello, doctor.
हाँ.
ते हांगा white patch जाताय न्हू.
हाँ.
तेका कित करपा जाता?
ते डॉक्टरान ऑलरेडी सांगला व्हाईट पॅचेस जर ते तितक्याच पुरते मर्यादित आसात आणि ते थोड्या जाग्यार आसात, सबंद आंग जर व्हाईट जावना जाल्यार ते ट्रीट करूयात अशें डॉक्टर म्हणटात. पण मातसो तेजो लॉंग टिडियस प्रोसिजर आसता, ते थंयचे दुसऱ्या जाग्यावयले सेल्स काडून कल्चर करचे पडटा आणि मागीर थंय इम्प्लांट करचे पडटा. So doctor, this is also myth, because people often feel that this is weight reduction surgery.
Yes.
Liposuction is not a weight reduction. म्हणजे एक सारखे तुम्ही लक्षात घ्या की liposuction हो जो प्रोसिजर असा तो वजन कमी करपा खातीर न्हय, तर शरीराच्या ज्या भागांचेर खूप चरब जमा जाल्या ती काडपा खातीर आणि तातूंतल्यान शरीराक एक वेगळो म्हणजे आकार येवपा खातीर. तातूंत वेट कमी इज अ प्रोसिजर अशें म्हणूं येता, बट वेट कमी करप हो हेतू आसना. बेसिकली दॅट इज नॉट अ ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह. करेक्ट. Okay, after this liposuction, are there possibilities of fat getting redeposited in these areas?
Yes, if we continue to take more and more food, then it will convert it into the fat, and this fat will go somewhere. So this fat will be deposited at other parts of the body, because since birth we have a limited number of fat cells. They will not regenerate. But they can just enlarge in size. So if we remove certain number of fat cells from the abdomen, so those fat cells will not grow in number. So the whatever the more fat we take, it will be deposited at other part like buttocks or thighs or arms.
So once they are removed, there is no possibility of getting restored at that particular place. But they can be replaced at other places. Achha, finally means they will look out for the whichever as a loopholes for them. Like okay, doctor, I think we have got almost another 4-5 minutes.
Okay.
What you would like to advise to our people, because there are a lot of myths also, and people should know a lot of things, and I think this opportunity you should take.
Yeah, because you should usually consult a specialist or expert who is in this particular field. Do not go to the other places or not up.
Yeah. So
Whatever.
don't get carried away with some advertisements or some what you see on the TV channels. Rather than that, तुम्ही डॉक्टरचा सल्लो घ्या. Consult a doctor, especially a cosmetic surgeon, and get yourself treated properly. This is one of
Yes.
the advice. Yeah.
And you tell them what is the problem with you. That means you must have something in your mind that I would like to correct this.
Yeah.
How will it be corrected? That depends on that specialist. If you tell them that I would like to go for the Botox injection or filler injection, that is not correct. If you ask the doctor that, see, my skin is this thing, wrinkles are there, and it is the texture is not good, or I have some pigmentation, black color, then doctor will suggest you the best treatment for you.
So rather than you going and telling the doctor, this is what I want, you go with your problem as a patient. Complain. And let the doctor decide what is best for you. This is one of the important things. कारण की असं आज सायन्स बदलला, टेक्नॉलॉजी बदलल्या. सो तुम्ही डॉक्टराकडे पेशंट जाऊन वचात आणि लेट द डॉक्टर डिसाइड किंवा हातून तुमकां खंयच्या पद्धतीन बऱ्या पद्धतीन मार्गदर्शन करू शकता, बऱ्या पद्धतीन ट्रीट करूं येता. Okay, anything else, doctor?
Yeah, and we should understand that a cosmetic surgery is a surgery, it's a procedure. So there are always chances of complications. But we should not
Get disheartened.
Disheartened or worried about the complications, because most of the complications are minor, and we can get rid of it, or we can say it is less than 1%.
अच्छा. सो डॉक्टरान सांगला की हातून कॉम्प्लिकेशन जावपाची शक्यता आसता फक्त 1%, म्हणजे 1%. आणि तसे कॉम्प्लिकेशन प्रत्येक प्रोसिजरान असतात. पण तुम्ही डिसहार्टन जाऊ नकात, ताचे नेगेटिव्ह चिंतू नकात. योग्य वेळार योग्य सल्लो घेयात. आणि जर तुम्ही योग्य पद्धतीन जर हे पद्धती जर आपणायल्यो जाल्यार तुमकां जे जाय ते बदल तुमच्या शरिरान हाडूं येता, स्पेशली अपियरन्स वायज, आणि दॅट वील बी गिविंग अ गुड रिजल्ट. म्हणजे तुमचं स्वताचे व्यक्तिमत्वाचे पॉझिटिव्ह एटिट्यूड वाडटलो, तुमचो स्वताचो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडन्स वाडटलो, आणि दॅट वील गिव अ पॉझिटिव्ह इमेज टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, म्हणजे युअर पर्सनॅलिटी वील डेव्हलप इन अ बेटर वे. सो आय थिंक ह्या मेसेजान आमी आयची कार्यावळ सोंपयता. फुडले फावटी आमचे बरोबर ह्याच कार्यावळीन, म्हणजे हॅलो दोतोर कार्यावळीन डॉक्टर शिवानंद बांदेकर, गोंयचे नामनेचे हाडाचे तज्ञ डॉक्टर आसतले. तुमचे प्रश्न तुमच्यांनी तयार दवरयात. तुमकां सगळ्यांक काळजांसान देव बरें करूं. नमस्कार.